everybody, it's Joni Young here. Welcome back for another painting tutorial in acrylics. Today I'm going to show you how to paint this pretty sunset landscape on a black canvas. I pre-painted mine using some lamp black, and my canvas measures 11 by 14. However, you can use any black you like or any size canvas. I'm going to be using a number 5 fan brush and some crimson red, some lemon yellow hue, some titanium white, and of course the lamp black. I'm going to start by adding a few strips of yellow in the middle. Okay, and then I'm just going to take my fan brush and blend that around. I'm going to take some titanium white and add a little bit of that in the center. Letting it mix in and blend with the yellow. I'm going to add a little bit of water to my brush and pull back and forth, side to side. With a clean brush, I'm going to take my crimson red and add it right on the end of my brush. I'm going to come around the edges and start blending in just by adding little figure eights, or just go back and forth. Slowly start to blend it in and pick up some of that yellow and white. A little bit of water if you need it. I'm going to pull and sweep down. You can gently, if it's easier, go up and down quickly like this. And then I'm just going to soften the outer edges of red into the black. I'm just going around in little circles. I've got a number 10 filbert brush and it's dry. The paint is still wet, and I'm just going to take my brush and lightly pull over that white from the center here and pull it over into little sun rays. I'm going to add some black to the end of my brush. And I'm going to come in here from the edge and pull and wiggle in a big tree. Now you can do this on a wet underpainting like I am, or if yours is dry already, you can still go ahead and add the black over top. Make it as wide as you want. So whatever wet paint I'm pulling my brush over, I'm picking up some of that and it's going to blend in and make different shades. So now we've got a little bit of light over on this side. I'm pulling into some of the wet white and yellow. I'll add a little bit more black here. I don't mind a bit of light, but I don't want to pull away from the light source here. I'm going to come down here and add a few rocks, just pulling over and then making them flat on the bottom, spacing them out, some bigger ones, some smaller ones. These smaller ones, I want them to be a little closer together. That will help create a little bit more distance. Okay, I'm going to take my fan brush again and add some more red. And I'm going to start adding that over top of some of the branches. Tapping lightly to create texture. I'm going to add a little bit down here as well. Tapping and then softly blending. Just pulling my brush lightly side to side. Add a little bit of this red around the rocks. Then with a little bit more black on my filbert brush, add a few branches. And a light little pull and sweep for some vines and moss. And just add a little bit more to the base of the tree. We'll have another rock here. Okay, so just up and over. Also add a few branches on this side. I think I'll have a little fence that comes down here, so I'm going to just take a bit of black and add a few little lines, and they get smaller and smaller and kind of veer off towards the light. I'll add a little bit more red. Okay, I hope you all enjoyed this one. This was really calm and relaxing to paint. I like the colors. I love the warm, glowing golden light in the center. Hope you guys enjoy painting along. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in another video. Bye!